The BELLA Classic Waffle Maker consistently turns out thick Belgian waffles that are crisp on the outside and soft inside, thanks to its rotating design and deep grids. Its adjustable browning dial offers 9 distinct settings, making it easy to dial in anything from lightly golden to deeply toasted waffles for different tastes in the household. The nonstick plates release waffles cleanly, and together with the removable drip tray, keep batter drips under control, so cleanup is quick with just a simple wipe and rinse. Cool touch handles, an auto-locking mechanism, and nonslip feet make the waffle maker feel stable and safe to use, even when rotating a full batch of batter. The compact stainless steel body, folding handle, and option to store it upright help this appliance fit comfortably in smaller kitchens without hogging cabinet or counter space. Beyond classic breakfast waffles, the even heating and generous pockets handle creative recipes well, from dessert-style waffles to savory variations topped with fried chicken or vegetables.